Welcome back, guys. Leland here, bringing you another live TA of any coin you want to take a look at. Is there some uncertainty? Do you not really know what's going on within the certain coin that you're in right now? Do you want to take a look at it? Well, we can take a look at it live today. If you are new here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It is a minimum $10 contribution. You could do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker if you want a request on a coin. You can also use my 1UP link coin or my 1UP link down below, and you can send me cryptocurrency instead, and I actually get 100% of those proceeds. If you do it in a form of a super chat or a super sticker, YouTube does take 30% of that revenue, so it is best to do it in crypto. Plus, it's my dream to get contributions in crypto. So anyways, how are you guys doing today? What's going on here? We got Steven or Steph E. Hello, how you doing? Yeah, it looks like it is working today. I did a little bit of changes, and I'm not having any drop frame rates. So hopefully we can stay like that. If not, then I'm probably going to be turning off my miners just to see if I can open up a little bit more bandwidth as we go throughout the stream. So yeah, how's everyone doing? We got time for Dylan. Sup, dude? When does this start? Oh, hey, gold and silver coins today. Gold and silver coins. What does that mean? We got Lou. Woo, wee. What's up, dude? How you doing? And Christopher, nice shirt, bro. Thank you, man. Yeah, if you guys want to purchase these shirts, I got hoodies, shirts, cups, phone covers. You can do. There's a link down below for the Teespring, my Teespring store. If you guys want to contribute in that way too, we could probably do that. If you guys tell me, hey, I bought a shirt, I'll do a TA for you guys or whatever. So, but anyways, what's up, Nomad? How you doing? We are back. We are live. We are here to do it. How's everything sounding? Is everything okay? I had to reset a lot of things. I redid my Streamlabs. I had to reset a bunch of stuff. So hopefully we're up and running and we're good to go. Let's get into the charts over here, guys. So we're looking at Bitcoin right now. We are in a 6 hour. Let's go over to a daily, and you can see that we got this nice support bounce off of this trend line down here, looking really good. We are stuck between this range over here of about $55,000 and $60,000. Where are we going to be going? Are we going to get the breakout of here? I do believe we will eventually get a breakout of that $60,000 on the short term or on the longer term ish kind of. You guys already know, we talked about the hidden bearish divergence that was developing on their MACD. We have positive momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. That is a little bit bearish, but nevertheless, it is crypto. You can see on our RSI that we are sitting within a pattern, some kind of triangle pattern over here. We are approaching the apex. Yes, it'll also, trend lines also work for price action as they do for our RSI indicators, things like that. But you can see on the stochastic RSI over here, and actually that's a little low. I wonder if I can bring this up for you guys so you can see this a little bit better. Whoops. Can I move it? Can we go up? Okay, it's about as good as we're gonna get right there. Okay, that's fine, that works. You can see the stochastic RSI has the momentum moving to the downside. So is it just going to consolidate for the next couple of days before we get a breakout? Are we going to be moving to the upside? Well, let's take a look at a Fibonacci retracement and see exactly where we are right now. Hey, Crazy Chef, thank you for the 12, man.
VRA Veracity, if you can please, thank you.
Yeah, you got it, bro. Let's go ahead and do VRA. Thank you for the 12. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much. We'll go ahead and take a look at that after we take a look at Bitcoin here. So let's pull out a Fibonacci retracement. If we just go from this swing high to the swing low over here, you can see that we are above the 618. Bulls have been fighting their butts off to try to get this thing back up. They're saying, no way, we don't want to go any lower. We're buying this thing up. Supply is scarce and it's a valuable asset. We're going to be moving to the upside. So hopefully we can hold that $57,421 area, maybe come back, get a retest before we come up and try to test that $59,000, $60,000 area. If we break $60,000 and we are closing candles above $60,000, well, there you go, guys. We're going to be moving to the upside, 65,000, then 70,000 after that. And we'll need some more data on here to see exactly where we're going to be going. How big is that move going to be? But if the hidden bearish divergence plays out and we start seeing Bitcoin go down, it wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't surprise me. And the reason why I say that is, let me back out here. Okay. I want to talk to you guys about the 21 EMA. Previously in the bull cycle before, the 2017 bull cycle, you can see multiple times, and if you guys have seen this before, I'm just going to repeat it so the new people can see it as well. But you can see that we've came back, we tested that 21 EMA frequently. We had a bounce right here, a bounce right there, as we made our way up. We're only 351 days into this bull run right now since the last peak, or just in total. So where that was for the previous bull cycle is that was about right here, 351 days within the bull market. So you could see that we're in kind of a consolidation period right now. And if we go ahead and look at Bitcoin right now, we're kind of in that similar consolidation period. Hey, what's up, Dark Haze? How you doing, man? Thank you for the 10. Really appreciate that. Dark Haze says 1 inch, please. Also, which altcoins are you in right now? Still mainly GRT. Really appreciate your honesty, interpretation, and I can't read, guys. You know this. I can only read charts. Of the TAs, much love. You got it, man. So currently right now I'm in GRT. I'm leaned in at GRT. That's about it for me right now. That's the one I see a lot of potential, a lot of more upside then there is going to be downside, and we could talk about that a little bit more. But you can see on the weekly chart with Bitcoin, you can see we're in this kind of consolidation phase, very similar to what we were doing back here. But you see how we had this massive drop with this candle back there? That's very possible, guys. I really do think we could probably go down and touch the 21 EMA. I'm still bullish if that happens, and I would actually be very happy, very ecstatic if we can go down to the 42,000, possibly $44,000 area before we get a resumption off. But guys, when we get that test of the 21 EMA, if and when that happens, the next move after that is going to be absolutely parabolic. And you can see that happened multiple times back here. When we got the test, boom, started moving to the upside. We got the test of the 21 EMA, boom, weeks of upside. Same thing over here, touch the 21 EMA, boom. And so that is something that I am going to be looking for. That could be bloody for alts. You know, if Bitcoin were to drop that much, we know that Bitcoin would have to take a drop of around 26%. Yes, altcoins would probably bleed if that were to happen, but that is just healthy. That is healthy consolidation. That's healthy retests of previous supports before we move to the upside. As you guys already know, Bitcoin dominance has been dropping like crazy, which is why you're seeing pumps in altcoins. We know this. We covered this. We broke through the 60% on Bitcoin dominance, going all the way back down to 57%, and we've dropped below 57%, which the next area of support that I'm going to be looking for is 53%. Could this continue to happen? Yes. Could Bitcoin still go up even though that happens? Yes, it could. We could also go down and Bitcoin goes up as well. It just depends on where the money is going to be allocated. So just a little bit of an overview of Bitcoin right now, just to give you a feel of what's happening in the markets right now. Bitcoin's bullish. We're long-term bullish. I mean, if we go ahead and we take a look at the monthly chart, okay? Look at the monthly chart and we see we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months consecutive green candles moving to the upside. It wouldn't surprise me if we started making a red candle or possibly went down lower to that 21 EMA. We've never had more than 6 consecutive months within Bitcoin of just pure green monthly candles. That's never happened before. So is it possible? Can we make a 7th green candle month? Yeah, we could. With all the attention and all of the institutional buying, with all these investments and investors who are getting in, yeah, it's possible, but it's healthy if we go down to the 21 EMA. Okay. Let's go take a look at VRA, and then we're going to look at 1 inch after that. And let me just make sure I get this in here. There we go. Okay. So let's check out VRA. How's everyone's day going? I went on a beautiful bike ride today on this new trail, and it was mesmerizing. It was liberating. It was just beautiful. It was a gorgeous day out today. Just beautiful trails. I'd never been over there. And I was really happy to find this new spot. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, we were doing VRA. That's right. Let's see. I have the one on HitBTC. KuCoin. Which one was I using before? It might be the Bittrex. Let's just see if I have this one charted and see what's going on. I don't have that one charted. Hold on. Let me pull up the ones that I have charted. Let's see. Okay, so there's this one over here. Okay, wow. Look at this crazy monthly candle that you had for March. Absolutely insane. You've been having huge gains after that, 2,400%. Dude, are you kidding me? Just with that month? I bet you're sitting really pretty right now, depending on where you bought, but that's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. It's been a while since we charted this, and you can see our Fibonacci has only went out to about here, holding really good levels at the 1414. Let's get rid of that, and let's see exactly what's going on. So you broke previous all-time highs, which was right there. Let's just adjust some of our lines right here, and let's extend this out just a little bit more. Okay, so really beautiful support level that you're having at the 1414. You had your previous all-time highs over here, about 2 cents, high 2 cents area, with the swing low going as low as the low 1 cent area. Once you broke through, and you can see over here, once you broke through the 618, you took off, you came back for the retest at the 786. That's exactly what you want to see. Breaking through that 61% retracement is really bullish. That's exactly what you want to do within a chart. You've broken through, you came back for the retest at the 718, and you guys already know after that, once you break all-time highs, expect to double. So that being around almost 3 cents, you can see that we came over here and we hit 5 cents. We hit that resistance at the 2618. Pretty normal, taking consolidation, just like a lot of things are taking consolidation right now after the huge pump ups that we've had throughout this entire year. Looking pretty good, not looking too bad right now. But what are we doing? Where are we going? How do we test this? How do we see? Let's go take a look at the indicators, okay? Let's take a look at the indicators. You haven't had much red on your histogram, not at all. It's just been pretty much green, and you can see right now it looks like you're almost about to take a cross. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you have to cross and we're going to be going to the downside. You could have a fake out and it could just open back up. You are in a consolidation pattern right now, so it really depends on what's going to be happening, but you have been overbought for quite some time. You came down for a little bit over at the end of March. You've gone back up. You went up to this 86 level on the RSI, and now you're still overbought right now. You can see our stochastic RSI, and check out our previous TA that we did before. Let me just get rid of that. Let me just pull this up here because I know it's kind of hard to see. Our previous TA that we did before on the stochastic RSI, we were talking about on VRA, right? Yeah, VRA, that we were below the 20 on the stochastic and that a move was going to be imminent. So, and that did play out. You can see that we were in this consolidation pattern right here. I know that's kind of hard to see. It's a little small. Let me go a little bit bigger for you, but that was that consolidation pattern right there. We went above the 20 on the stochastic RSI, and you had this move to the upside. Well, how much was that move to the upside? That was about a 267% gain. I know we talked about that because I circled it down here, letting you know, hey, it might be time for a move. Our stochastic RSI is telling us why and what we're doing. So I think we are in a consolidation pattern right now. We have to see what levels we need to break out of. What kind of pattern is this? So we definitely have support right here along this area. And then we also have support. Did you break out? I think you broke out. Let's take a look at that. That looks like a breakout to me. And it looks like you're getting the retest and it's at the apex, and that looks pretty good. So is it time to move to the upside? Let's go to a 1 hour. Let's see what kind of support bounce. Yeah, dude, you're getting a really nice bounce right here. And that's going to be at the 618. You can see how you used that 618 as support previously in the past over here. And then you drop back down, and then you started using the 1414 as your support. When you got that breakout, that put you above the 78 or the 618, which is really bullish. You came back for the retest out of that triangle, and now you're starting to get the resumption off. This is what dreams are made of. This is what you want to see. Let's go to a 4 hour, and I want to see what's going to be going on over here. Hey, what's up, Jace? Hello. Thank you for the 10. I really appreciate that. First time viewer, can you do Zill? Absolutely, dude. We've done Zill a bunch of times on here, and welcome. Welcome. Thank you for joining our channel, and thank you for that 10. Really appreciate that. I'll go ahead and add it to the list. And so you can see on the 4 hour chart right now, since we did get that breakout, what was beautiful is you did have negative momentum moving to the upside on your histogram. That's exactly what you want to see when you are in a consolidation pattern. When you got the breakout, you started printing your green on your histogram, and you got the bullish cross. You got the bullish cross right here. That's looking really good. I'm going to be expecting moves to the upside, even though we did see that daily RS or the MACD, and it looked like it was about to cross. I think you're going to get a fake out right there, and you could probably go much higher. But in the short term, we're definitely going to be seeing some higher levels. If we were to do a measured move, excuse me, Let's do a measured move. Let's go from the top here to the bottom, and we take it to the breakout, and look at that. That's going to be taking us to this 618. We didn't really test it back here with this previous high. We had only gotten up to 5 cents. 5 cents was acting as resistance. Right now you're sitting at a high 3 cents. I think it is time for you to start taking a bounce here, catch that that support at the 618, and we'd be going much higher. What kind of levels can we be looking for? Well, we're going to be looking for that 5 cent area, low 5 cent area. That's where we're going to be going to. A measured move from here to up there. Currently, that's about a 40% move. That's no joke. We're talking about on the short term here, guys. That could be playing out within probably a week or so, but it depends. It depends what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin decides to take a dump, this thing's going to dump right with it. So take all of this with a grain of salt. You guys know this. But currently looking really bullish, man. Looking really bullish, not overbought on the 4 hour at all. A lot of momentum moving to the upside as you were stuck down here below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. Looking really good. That's what I'm going to be looking for, man. 5 cents. 5 cent breakout move. That's where we're going to be going. An area that you don't want to drop below is you don't want to drop below, and it's possible you might wick down here for a little bit, but you don't really want to get below the 0.037 cent area. You don't want to get below that area. You want to hold this as support as it was previously support over here. If you start breaking down and you come back down and you test the 1414, you better get that resumption off of that previous trend line right there. That was once support. It's actually still support, very much still support. So if you go anything lower than the 3.5 cent area, the 1414, I would cut it off. I wouldn't stay in there. This isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but if I were in this trade and I saw the thing go below 3.5 cents, I'm out. I can't do it. I can't do it. That's too much of a drop. That's going to be looking pretty bearish. And it's possible that the MACD on the daily is going to be playing out and you'll have that cross down. Hey, what's up, David Ross? How you doing, man? Thank you for the 2. Really appreciate that. Please do EGLD and CELR. Hey, David, read the description down below. And so if you add another 8 to that, we can definitely take a look at a coin. But read the description down below before you request a coin. Thank you so much. So yeah, looking bullish. That's where we're going to be going. We have our supports. We have our resistances. That's it, man. That is it. That's what I think is going to be going up. So yeah, not looking too bad, man. Really do think we can start making some money here. Looking really good. Okay, let's move on. Let's go over and take a look at 1 inch. Let's see which chart do I want. Let's do the Binance one. Let's see how that one looks. Currently up 10% on the day right now. A lot of really good data. Yeah, I can work with this. Yeah, I can work with this. Wow, looking really bullish right now. Holy crap. Is that a 3 right? No. That might have been 1, 2. No, it's not a 3 rising values. Nevertheless, you look like you almost retraced 100% of the way up. Either way, looking really good right now. Wow, nice bullish cross that you had. Negative momentum moving to the upside. Boom, right there. You can start to see the shift of momentum that we started to have within our price action. Really bullish. Started to cup out over here, and you're starting to move to the upside. It's bullish. It's massively bullish, dude. It looks really good. You really haven't been overbought since the beginning of February. Over here, you're still not overbought and a lot of room to the upside. That's going to be an area of resistance for us, definitely. So be watching for that area. We're sitting at about 69 right now, and we could be going up to 80 on the RSI. You can see our stochastic RSI looks like it's about to take a cross, but when we previously got above that 80 on our stochastic RSI in the past, you can see we hung over here for a couple of weeks at least. So that doesn't necessarily mean it's bearish. We could just probably just move to the side over here as we continue to see higher highs. Okay, looking really good. Okay, looking really good on 1 inch right now. Let's go ahead and take a Fibonacci retracement. I want to go from our swing high down to our swing low right there. And what do you know? You broke through. Look at this resistance that you have. Let's go to a 4 hour so we can break it down so you guys can see what was going on. So you can see Fibonacci. Hold on. Pinpoint accurate. Let's get this thing pinpoint accurate. Right there. Perfect. So you can see that we previously, when we were up here in this consolidation pattern, we dropped down. That's when we made our swing low over here. But look what 1 inch tried to do. Multiple times it tried to break through the 618, got denied. That's pretty normal. That's a very hard resistance to get above. And when you do, you're very bullish. You can see 618 got denied, went right back down. And look at this beautiful support level at the 236, looking really good. We've made our move. We broke through this 618 over here, even having a retest, which you hadn't really done previously all throughout back here, but got the retest at the 50% retracement. Cool. That means we're going to be moving up higher. We found a support. Let's move up. And that's exactly what you've done. You've caught that support. You broke through the 618s and you broke through the 786, currently sitting above the 886 on our Fibonacci retracement. That's really good. I can still see what I want to see with 1 inch right now is I do want to see us come back down and touch the 786. That's going to be $5.65. I do believe that can still happen. That's very much still in play. If we go ahead and take a look at the, yep, look at that right there. Okay. Take a look at the MACD. We're about to have a crossover here, losing a lot of green on the histogram, moving to the downside. You were overbought. Hey, what's up, David Ross? Thank you again, man. Appreciate the 10 there. You got it. So I can do 1 coin for you, bro. So it's $10 contribution for 1 coin. So we can do EGLD or we can do CELR. Just let me know in the comment section and we'll definitely get that done for you, man. So really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's see. So yeah, in the short term, I think we can go down to $5.65. Not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. You're bullish. You broke through the 786, get that retest, and dude, you're going to be doubling after that. You're going to be doubling after that. It's not guaranteed, but that's where you're going to be going over the next few weeks. You did all the hard work, dude. It's done. It's over. Come back for the retest. Hold the 786. If you drop below the 786, you better hold. I'm sorry. Yeah, the 786. You better hold this 618 down here. If you don't hold the 618, bro, you're going to be dropping. You're going to be going much further down. Look for this area of support, $5. Do not break $5 support at all, ever. You want to continue going up. If you break $5 support, got to get out. You got to get out. You got to say, nope, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. You got to know when your exit is, what's your strategy, where you're going to be getting in. If you get the resumption over here, right here, and you start lifting off, that right there for me is a buying opportunity. I know we've had all this move to the upside, but this is just insinuating even more that we're going to be continuing up. And I really do think we're going to be seeing that $12 range really quickly, which is going to be taking us all the way up to the 2618. Guys, it is alt season. We know this. We've talked about this. These things are going to play out. Look how 1 inch is already playing out, catching a lot of support, catching a lot of momentum, moving to the upside. It's looking really good. $12 is going to be the breakout. Excuse me. Sorry. Kind of jerked you guys around right there. $12 is going to be the next resistance that I see after that. Don't be afraid of all this small resistance that we have up into play, as that is going to be our breakout target. That is going to be the target that we're going to be looking for. Okay. We have our resistances, but let's talk about what happens in the short term. We know we're going to be going up to $12. Well, be looking for these resistances up above the golden mean ratio on our Fibonacci retracement, excuse me. It's going to be $5.33, $7.35. Gosh, already messing it up. And then $7.82, and then $8.52. Be watching for these areas of resistance above. Yes, initially you do have to get above $6.40 before we can even attempt to see these guys over here. But like I said, you already broke through the 786. It's time to go up. Okay, get that retest, get the resumption off, looking good. Okay. All right, that's about it. Bullish, looking really bullish right now. Okay, let's move on. Let's go take a look at ZIL as people are requesting coins. David Ross, you got it, bro. EGLD, we'll do that one. You got it. Thank you for the 12, David Ross. I really appreciate that, bro. Let's see. Who do we got in the chat here? Sean. Hello, Sean. How are you doing? Closed down and reloaded page, but still dropping out. Anyone else having issues? Are you guys having issues? I'm not seeing any issues on my side. I'm clear. I have no drop frame rates. It's looking really good. Man, I got some sun today on my bike ride. You can see I'm like a little sunburnt on my cheeks here. I am the Fox dude. Wanted a $2 double bubble. Wanted the $2 double bubble? What is that? I don't know what that is. Are you talking about GRT? What's going on there? Let's see. You realize 1 inch hits Coinbase tomorrow. Really? That's bullish. Maybe that's why it's having such a good move. That's crazy. I didn't know that. Yeah, great information. Christopher, yeah, 1 inch is undervalued, I think, considering it is in direct competition with Uniswap. Wow, really? That's pretty crazy competition. Who else we got? We got Ross Bird. Hello. What do you think about Utrust? Never heard of it, man. But we can do a TA on it. Read the description down below, and we can do a TA on it. Brian Bolt. And AMP, people are asking about all these coins. Guys, if you want to take a look at it, let's go do it. Definitely. Okay, we got some coins. We have requests that we need to go take a look at. We're going to be taking a look at ZIL next. Let's see what's going on with ZIL. Okay. Wow. Looking really good. Looking really good. Jeez, man. Like, you've been holding that 21 EMA and been consolidating and just moving to the upside consecutively. Now, one thing that I am a little bit worried about right here is you are in an ascending wedge, which is typically a bearish pattern. It's going to be something like right about there. Something kind of like maybe you could take it in a little bit, possibly right there. Nevertheless, wherever you take that, that is an ascending wedge. That's kind of what Bitcoin is. This looks very similar to Bitcoin minus these new all-time highs that we're seeing right here. Let's see what you did previously in the past over here. No resistance above you. You're making new all-time highs. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's see. Where are we going? What are we doing? You know, are we going to be continuing to go up? Are we going to break up out of this wedge? Are we going to break down out of the wedge? What's it looking like? Okay, so we do have hidden. What is that? Just based off of this indicator right here, where we have the positive momentum moving to the downside, you're about to get a bearish cross right here. You can even see that your oscillators are in some kind of formation as well, some kind of triangle formation. You can clearly see that right there. Resistance, supports. Okay. The hidden bearish divergence, we have negative or positive momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving to the upside. That's bearish. Okay. With the ascending wedge, with this hidden bearish divergence, and given on the daily, you took a cross over here and your momentum is moving down. I'm thinking that you're probably going to be having a breakdown. I know that's not what you want to hear. I mean, you're sitting up really high right now, dude. You're not overbought, and same thing. You're in some kind of pattern on your RSI, some kind of triangle pattern, and you're approaching that apex just like your MACD. It's interesting how that happens. You're very close. What's going to happen, what the charts would tell me, is a breakdown. That's what it's telling me. I want to be like, I want to give you some hopium and tell you that it's going to be pumping to the upside, but I just don't see that happening. I really don't see that happening. I think we need to take a little bit of a cool off. Now, granted, you're not overbought. You're not overbought at all. And it's possible. It's very possible for you to start just creating more green on the histogram if you were to have a breakout to the upside, but you would need to break that ow, I bit my cheek, son of a gun. You need to break that resistance right there and turn it into support. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can see that. That's what you're going to want to be looking for. But that's probably the only hopium that I can give you right now. It's possible. It's definitely possible. Looking bearish. Okay, looking bearish right now. Let's get rid of that. Let's go ahead and check out a Fibonacci retracement. What do I want to take? Where do I want to take this? From here to here. Let's see if I can get a little bit more data. This is what you do in TA. You just kind of mess around to see where your levels are going to be at. Yep, that's beautiful. Wow. Beautiful looking chart right here. Okay, so you had your swing high, down to your swing low. The 618 being resistance all throughout here, like it should be. Boom, you broke out. Once you broke the 618, you came back for the retest at the 786, looking really good, but you never came back for the retest on the 618. That concerns me. But all this time later, you broke down. You came back, and look where that test came back to. It came back and said, hello, just wanted to confirm that you're support. You're there for me. I love you. And, if you ever need to talk, I'm here. So that's what the 618 basically did for this chart. Great. You got the bounce up, a lot of buying opportunities after that. You were above previous all-time highs. You used that as support, and you started moving to the upside. But you ran into some resistance over here at the 2618s. Took a little bit of consolidation, started moving back up, holding that 21 EMA, and now you're above it right now. This one's hard because we did all that work and we moved to the upside. Everything's telling me that it's bearish. So we're going to be looking for support levels down below. I want to talk about the possible upside too, because that could happen. It's crypto. It's alt season. This thing could just take off and we could just negate all indicators. But just please know that if you take a drop, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised whatsoever, okay? You would need to drop below 18 cents, high 18 cents, to start becoming a little bit bearish about this. Hey, what's up, Johnny? How you doing, man? Thank you for the 10. Really appreciate that, bro. Yeah, you got it, dude. NKT, or I'm sorry, NKT. Well, NKN. Got it. Adding it to the list right now. Thank you. Thank you for that. So support levels, like I said, 18 cents, high 18 cents, and then all the way down to 13 cents. I don't think you're going to drop below 13 cents with this consolidation. You will be breaking out of the pattern, right? So you will be breaking out of, what do we have? That's support levels somewhere around right there. You will be breaking down out of it, but that doesn't mean long-term I'm bearish about it. That just means that you've broken out of formation and you could possibly get this bounce and then start moving to the side before you start moving back up. That's not the end all be all. So we are in a bull market. I do expect to see some higher highs, but initially in the short term, I'm going to be looking for targets at the downside. So like I said, 13 cents I think is the lowest that you're really ever going to go on this. That would be a drop of about 32%. I think that would be appropriate considering the drops that we've had in the past. Let's see, how big was this drop? Yikes. That was a 50% drop that you had right there. Pretty big drop. What about this one? You have a 50%, another 50% drop. What about in the past? What have you done in the past? So you like to take these averages at 50%. Look at that. 53% drop. Ouch. What about this one? What about this one? Ooh, this one was more, 68%. Wow, really volatile, really scary. So you like to take these 50% drops. I do want to take a look at this one right here. How big was this drop? As it is getting smaller, that was only 27% drop. So from the top of where we are up here, going all the way back down, yeah, dude, that's very possible to hit the 13-cent range. Very, very possible. Maybe even a little bit lower to the 1414. I don't think that's going to happen though. I don't think it's going to drop down back that low. I think you can probably see your indicators start to recover. They'll start to shift out as you start printing. But you know what? That's not bad. That's not a bad thing, because if we take this drop and we start making a bigger red on the histogram over here, you're starting to create hidden bullish divergence, which is going to be insinuating a move to the upside. Be watching those histograms. Once you start shifting from the red to the light red, that's probably going to be around the area that you're going to find the bottom within price actions as we start moving to the upside. You're not even overbought right now, so yeah, be looking for those support levels. If not, let's say you hold the 2618, which is 18 cents, high 18 cents, and you break through 20 cents, which has been a resistance for you. You got above it. You never really turned it into support over here. You broke below it, and you can see that you're using it as resistance right now. But if you can get above that 20 cents, dude, you're going to 29 cents, 30 cents after that, straight up. You're going to 30 cents after that, and then 35, then 40 cents. But let's keep an eye on this. Let's give it a few more days, get some more data, see where it's going to be going on. I'm actually going to mark this, and I'm going to put an alert right about here to let me know if we start moving to the downside, and then I'll chart it. We'll chart it. We'll come back and we'll take a look at it. So anyways, Dangar, hello, how you doing? NKN is getting added to Coinbase Pro on Friday also. Wow, that's actually really bullish news. You guys are really into this. Like, you guys are locked in. I didn't even know these things about all these coins. It's so hard to understand and know everything about this coin. If you guys are liking this content, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you were new. If you're getting benefit out of this, I post videos almost daily. Sometimes I'm very busy. I have, I'm getting my bachelor's, I have mining rigs, I have a daughter, a family, regular. It's just, I'm always busy. I'm always doing something. So I try to fit in these live streams when I can, try to make videos when I can. So thank you. Thank you for everyone who is here. I really appreciate that. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's see. We got Ray Williams, yo. And we have Cody. How you doing, Cody? I wanted to buy yesterday. Card didn't show. Dang it. That sucks. I'm sorry. That really sucks. We have Appfeel. Hello. Where do you see OXT at the end of the month? Gosh, at the end of this month. Hopefully breaking $1. I really do think we could be breaking $1 here pretty soon. But yeah, Jace, you're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for requesting that coin on Zill. Awesome. Looking yeah, that's your data that we got. Okay, let's take a look at EGLD. We got next. We have coins that we need to be doing. EGLD. Okay, I believe I have this one charted down here. Yep. Oh, wow. Yes, dude. Beautiful. Awesome. It took you a lot of work. It took some time, but you broke above the 618, dude, and you're using it as support right now. That's huge, my guy. That's huge. Look where you came up and you hit resistance, 786. This is the zone, man. This is what you want to see. Damn! Hey, what's up, Atomic? Welcome, dude. Welcome back. Thank you for joining. Thank you for supporting the live stream all the time, man. I really appreciate you. You want to take a look at Nano USDT? You got it, man. Add Nano to the list. That's interesting that you want to look at Nano. I'm actually really excited to see where that's going. But EGLD right now, like,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
Like, this is primed, bro. This is really primed right now, looking really pretty, just based off of a Fibonacci. That's it. Okay, where are we going? What's our momentum? What are we looking like? Oh, dude, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at all this negative momentum moving to the upside. You got the breakout, you got your cross, and you started breaking above that $171 area. And now you're at 180. Good. Good. You still have a lot more room to the upside. You're not even overbought right now. You're at 62 on the RSI. You know that you love to come up and hit levels around 88 before you have a bit of a pullback, even as high as 97. Yeah, dude, you could go up to 97. So you're pretty far away from being overbought. We're hitting those levels. You can see previously in the past at the 88 level, here, before you got rejections and it went to the downside. But you've been consolidating for quite some time. You broke out of that structure. You can see that it's a very clear structure that you have. So you have a support level right here. It's like, yeah, it's like right there. And you have the support down here. It doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter about the support. But look, you were in this triangle, boom, support, resistance, resistance, support, boom, you broke out. Look what you turned into. What was once resistance is now support. You hit that support and you got the move to the upside. That's great. What's your breakout target? What's your breakout target for this thing? It's pretty big. I'll tell you that. It's a pretty big move. Pretty big move. Wow, dude. Okay, we take it to the breakout and that's going to be taking you to the 1414. So what we're going to be, we're bullish, okay? We're ultra bullish about this thing. It's looking really good. $276. Dude, you're sitting at 180 right now. That's a lot of gains away. That is the goal. That is where probably we're going to be going, especially when you break through the 786. Once you break through the 786, you get that confirmation, you're done. You're out of here, bro. You're going to be taking off like a rocket. It's going to be moving to the upside really quickly. How many gains away? You're looking at about a 55% gain within the area, dude. That's no joke. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money that you could be making with that right now. So EGLD looking really good right now. Really bullish. I don't really have to show you anything else, man. Yeah, that's it. That's the breakout area. So once you break through $200 has been that resistance for you in the past. Come back. Once you break $200 and you test it as support, dude, you're gone. You're going to what was it? 276? Yeah. And even higher. That's just the breakout though. That doesn't mean we're just going to stop there. This thing could be taking off. It could go to 303 or possibly going up to the 2618 or the 4618. We're talking $435, $700 by the end of the year. I think that's very possible. I mean, you know, probably by the end of the summer, you could see a $700 EGLD. That's real. That's real talk. It is alt season. And this thing's looking bullish as ever. Like, it's just looking really bullish. That's it, man. That's it. What more do you want? Like, this thing is looking beautiful. Look at the runs that it takes after consolidation. Like, look at this consolidation and big run, and then consolidation and then a big run. Same thing back here. You had all this consolidation, big run. So it looks like this thing is just starting that big run area. You know, it's looking really good, man. Looking really, really good. Okay. Hey, ATV Antics and Adventures. How you doing, dude? Thank you for the 15. Thanks for coming back. Thank you for supporting the channel. I really appreciate that. 15. Thank you so much. Any chance on an update on Harmony? Yes, dude. Hey, one back-to-back. Vintage Toys. Welcome back. How you guys doing? I got my team back. Everyone's here. I was having issues with the stream, man. I couldn't get it up for like 3 days. They cut a cable outside and I was just freaking out. I'm like, how do I get this fixed? Like, as soon as possible. People need their updates. We have to do this. Let's go. And then they fixed it. And now I'm back and we're doing it. So anyways, yes, dude, absolutely. We'll definitely do one. Vintage Toys, thank you so much for the 10, bro. Hi, Leland. Can you take a look at Ren? You got it, guys. You got it. Okay. We just got done taking a look at EGLD. Now we're going to be moving over to NKN. Never charted it before. Never charted it. Let's see what's going on. Whoa, dude, crazy. Like, what the heck? 86 cents? You were down here at 21 cents in this area? Not even that long ago, dude. At the beginning of the year. How much have you gone up since then? That's quite a lot. 6,000, 6,500%, dude. Are you kidding me? That's incredible. That's outpacing GRT. That's outpacing NMR and Numerare. And wow, where'd you find this, dude? That's crazy. I'm gonna do it again.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
That's crazy, man. This is absolutely insane, and it's gone up like crazy. I'm gonna try to do a TA for you. You are respecting the 21 EMA really well. You're probably overbought. Yeah, you're overbought right now. Holy crap. Look how overbought you are, dude. You're sitting at the 88, which is a level that you know. Get out of here. What are you doing? What happened? What did I do? One sec. I'll fix it. There we go. Okay. You're hitting a level over here, the 88 on the RSI, which is a level that you know that you like to hit before you take a little bit of a downside. And that's what you've done it multiple times. Look at that right here. Boom. Back here when your price was at 41 cents. And then right here as well, when your price was sitting at about 52 cents. And then you're up at it again right now, but are we still here? Is it still going? I just got a huge error message that the stream disconnected, but I think we're back. I think it's still working. Hold on. Before we continue, I have to make sure that this thing is still working. Am I still having issues? No, I don't think so. That was weird. Why did that happen? If you guys are still here and you can hear me, can you let me know? Still see you still. Okay. Okay. Run. Okay. What the heck? Man, that was crazy. I don't know if you guys saw that. Anyways, back to KNK or NKN, excuse me. You're overbought. You're at these levels that we're going to be looking to. Okay. Yes, we're good. Awesome. Yes. So you're at the 88. Is it time for a pullback? Maybe. Yeah, probably. Based off the three previous data points that we have, or the past two previous data points that we have, you're overbought, man. You've gone up like crazy. Look at your stochastic, dude. Your 12 and 20 or 12 and 26 day moving averages, off the charts, dude. You've never done this before. Look, ever. It's crazy. Your stochastic RSI right now is right there. Your momentum's up really high, and you can see that we're probably going to be taking downturn. So have you hit your high? Probably, dude. You probably hit your high, and now you're going to consolidate. You're going to take some time. You're going to figure it out, where you're going to be going, what's going to be happening. Wow, what interesting price action. Look at the way that looks. Huge. You got a blow off top right here. Boom, went back down. Another blow off top. Boom. Wow, these things, when it moves, this thing really likes to move. It likes to have the blow off and then consolidate, and then have the blow off and then the consolidation, blow off, consolidation, and even like little tiny ones in here, right? Blow off, consolidation, blow off, blow off. Yeah, dude. You just had your blow off, and now you're having a consolidation. I think it's possible that you might see some other lows. You might be looking for some other lows. Let's go ahead and take a Fibonacci. Let's go from the recent. Let's go from this swing high to this swing low. What are you hitting right now? Okay. So look how beautiful this was being respected previously in the past. You can see your 618. Yeah, you wicked all the way up to the 786, but you didn't close any bodies above it or catch it as supports. Let's make it bigger. You see how you hit the 618 and then the 786, but you couldn't close it. And then you went back down below to test your support that you previously had down here at the 382. Once you got above, see the resistance, 618, 618, and then boom, once you broke through it, man, you never came back for a retest. You never came back for a retest. That was it. But we kind of know that nature of this coin of NKN, that it does like to have the blow off tops and then consolidate. But look where it consolidated after it had this big blow off top. You went to the golden mean ratio. Beautiful. That's exactly what I want to see. Let's catch support right there. And then, dude, you took off. This is one of those coins where like you buy in and you just wait. And you just hope that it's just going to pump like it normally does, and then it's pretty good area. It's like sell, maybe reaccumulate, buy them back, but we're not here to be day trading that. That's very risky. Day trading is very risky. So You were using the 4618 as resistance. You came back down to the 2618 as support, catching that 21 EMA as well on the 4-hour, and you had that blow off top, making new all-time highs. You're consolidating right now. You're going to the side. I think it might be time for some consolidation for you, man. I'm going to be looking for areas to the downside. So I'm going to be showing you previous supports. So you do have support at 69 cents. And then you also have support down here at the 45-cent area, but you also have one in between as well, which is going to be 60 cents. That makes sense. That's psychological resistance, but I'm just basing that off of the chart right here. So on the 4-hour, let's go back to the daily. Let's go back to the daily. Let's talk about this again. You overbought. Your stochastic RSI is about to cross over here. You're going to be having momentum moving to the downside. Your MACD, your oscillators are off the chart. You've never done this before. It's gone off like crazy. Huge gains, dude. As I think your momentum might start weakening over here. There's a pretty big gap, so you could still possibly go up even higher. It's possible, but the charts are telling me we're a little bearish. We're a little bit bearish. Probably going to be moving to the downside. I know that's not what you want to hear, but this isn't a Moon Boy channel. I'm not going to just fill you a bunch of crap and just say, oh yeah, dude, we're going up higher. We're in a bull market. It's fine. No, dude, looking at the charts and doing a TA, that's looking like we're going to be moving to the downside. I'm sorry to tell you that, but it's true. Embrace it. Look for those buying opportunities. This is why we're here. We don't get scared when it drops. We buy, we hodl, we move on. We have a drop, we buy more. That's what you do. That's what crypto does. And that's normal. Totally normal. So like I said, areas of support that I think we're going to be seeing, let's just say 70 cents area of support. If you drop below 70 cents, down to 60 cents. Below 60 cents, you're going to be going down to 50 cents, which is about right there. I could see that support level right there. And then down to the 2618. I do not think you are going to go down to the 2618, which is 45 cents. I don't think that's going to happen. No, that's too far of a drop. Too far of a drop. And we know that this thing, when it pumps, it just likes to consolidate and it just moves to the side, maybe slightly going down. But let's do a little bit of measurements here. Okay, we're gonna take this move right here down to here, 36%. This move, 44%. Here down to here, 45%. What about this little guy? Nevertheless, still drop. Okay, between 30 and 45% is what we're going to be looking for. What about this drop? 30%. Yep, looking good. What about this one? 41%. So I'm going to say anywhere between 30 to 45% of a drop that you could possibly have after this blow off top. Okay, like I said, blow off top, consolidation. Blow off top, consolidation. Blow off top, consolidation. Okay, it's going to be moving to the downside. That's what I think is going to be happening. Areas of support. Okay, let's measure it. Okay. That takes you down to 30%. So yeah, dude, you might catch support at that 70 cents area. You even possibly going down to this 60 cent area. Like I said, I don't think it's going to be going down to the 2618, which is 45 cents, because that's a 54% drop. And you've never had consolidation periods or corrections more than 45%. So I don't think that's going to happen. It is possible. I don't think it's going to go all the way down to 50 cents. So based off of the data, based off of everything that I'm looking at, and off of my experience, 70 cents. 70 cents, if not, hold 60 cents. If you start breaking below that 60 cent area, that's not good. I'm not going to want to see you drop below 60 cents because you're attempting to come over here and try to break $1. You came up here, you hit $1, and that's what people want to see. If you take a correction, great. Go down to 70 cents, but don't drop below 60 cents. That wouldn't make any sense. That would just be too much of a drop. That'd be a shift of momentum. You'd be moving to the downside. So we have our supports. You have your resistances. Once you break $1, my friend, then you're going to $1.50, $2, $2.50, $3. Yeah, it'll happen quickly too. When you break $1, watch, you'll hit $2 really quickly after that. Very quickly. Probably within 2 weeks, 3 weeks or whatever. So not looking too bad. Okay. You have our supports. We have our resistances. That's it, man. We got to move on. Nano. Let's go take a look at the Nano. Make sure I'm doing these correctly. Kyle, what's up, dude? How you doing? After Bitcoin pump, sell? Well, typically the pump happens before it gets listed, right? When the news comes out, that's when people get hyped. Notice how like SLK had its pump before it even got listed. And then when it got listed that day, it started to drop. And I bet you there's a bunch of people who bought in on it and they started watching it drop. I guarantee it. Guarantee it. ATV Antics, what's up? Got Diamond Hands, what's up? Yeah, dude, we're in profit right now. I mean, I'm in profit like crazy. Gosh, I think I'm up like over 600% right now, which that's just with Bitcoin. That's just only with Bitcoin, up 600%. So yeah, we're all making money. We're all doing really good things on this channel. You watch this channel, you're gonna know. I do what I do here. The coins that you guys show me, yeah, I look at them and I go, this is a good opportunity. So not only am I helping you, but you're helping me at the same time. It's a win-win, total win-win. Christopher, remember guys, technical analysis are not always right. Yeah, you're right, Christopher. They're not always right. It's not, this isn't like, oh, this is what's going to happen. This is just giving us an edge on the markets, versus of not knowing when to buy in or not knowing when to sell. All this does is gives us an edge. It gives us the possibility of looking into the future on what possibly could be happening with this. The TA, it's all about the TA. It's all about the TA. The TA is respected very well. We know what's going on. That's why we use TA. That's why I've been successful. You guys have been successful. I've gotten numerous emails from people telling me, dude, you've hit like every target that we've talked about because it's about TA. It really is. This is what investors and traders are looking at. So you're right. Not all the time. TA is not correct all the time because anything could happen in crypto. It's crypto. It's volatile. We could just take a dump right now. Bitcoin could just drop 30% out of nowhere. And then all these altcoins crash. Yeah, it could happen. Where are you going to buy? Where are you going to buy? We're in a bull market. We are in a bull market. So don't forget that. Boy, ain't that the truth. Christopher, just saying. Yeah, dude, you're not wrong. You're not wrong at all. Anyways, let's move on over to Nano. What's going on with Nano? But if we were trying to like base our emotions off of like reading news or, just all that noise, no. Like this is probably the best area to get your edge in anything. TA is the best area to get your edge in the markets. News isn't. That's just noise. That I don't care. I don't read news. I don't care about news. All I care about is price action. I can determine what's going to be happening just based off that alone. So take it with a grain of salt, guys. Let's move over to Nano. What's going on with Nano right now? Let's move on. Let's go see what's going on. Wow, nice jump that you had right here. Boom, straight up, big recovery in Nano. That's on a 4-hour chart. Let's go to a daily. Wow, look at that. You had, what kind of candle stick pattern is that? Are you creating an inverse head and shoulders? You might be creating an inverse head and shoulders over here. Maybe a complex inverse head and shoulders. But yeah, dude, look at this. You have your right shoulder. Actually, that's too high. Your left shoulder, your head, and then your right shoulder. Some funkiness in here, but I don't really know. Maybe it got invalidated. You started making the right shoulder. You had the breakout, and then it broke to the downside. Why did that happen? That's really weird. It was looking really bullish. Okay. Hold on. Let me look at price action real quick to see. Oh, wow. We did do this. We did Nano a while ago. Broke out of that one real nicely. Came back for the retest. Bounced off the 21 EMA. Wow, you were below the 21 EMA for quite some time. Tried to get above it. Couldn't do it. Resistance. And then you got above support. Currently holding your 21 EMA as support right now. That's good. That's really bullish. That's what you guys want to see. We got over here. Johnny NKN is going on Coinbase Pro tomorrow. Yeah. We knew that. I think I read the same thing twice there. LOL at that sound. Oh, you like the Mario sound? I'm the fox. If it wouldn't have been sold, my GRT bought back to cheaper, it would have been a little disappointing with his analysis. Wait, if I wouldn't have sold my GRT, why'd you sell your GRT and bought back cheaper? I would have been a little disappointed with his analysis. I mean, if you want to day trade, yeah, dude, if you think you can day trade this market, go ahead. But I'll tell you right now, you'll get lucky a couple of times, and then you might not get so lucky. And that's when you're going to start seeing the losses in there. I don't recommend day trading for crypto. If you're buying and selling more than like 3 or 4 times a month, that's day trading. And I don't support that. I don't even do that myself. I buy and I hold, and we just wait it out. Even if it were to drop, yeah, if like, let's say on this coin over here on Nano, let's say I were to buy, okay? Let's say I were to buy, or let's say I sold. Let's say I sold and I had bought it down here and I was like, okay, great. I think it's going to go down, and I buy somewhat within this area. Okay, cool. But like, do you know what I mean? Like it's now I'm kind of worried because this thing now went even lower. Would I have sold over here because I got scared? If I was new and I didn't know what I was doing, yeah, I would have. I probably would have sold over here. But that's not the case. I don't recommend day trading for anybody. I really do not recommend day trading. So if you guys are day trading, that's up to you. I don't teach day trading on here whatsoever because it's really risky. You're better off just buying and holding and just leave it there and just watch it go up. Because those days that, you know, that you're holding months later and, you know, let's say GRT goes up 10% and you're really up like 60% on the day because you had such a low buy-in. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can try to play it and try to make short-term gains all the way up. But in the end, you're paying capital gains tax, 30% on every single trade. You better be making more than 30%. Even if you are, let's say you're making 35%. Well, that's maybe only a 5% gain that you made. You see what I'm saying? It's just not worth it. With taxes and everything, the day trading, the risk, it's not worth it at all. So get lucky. I mean, if you're making more than 35% each trade, okay. But I mean, you're not making that much money. You're really not making that much money. You have to hodl. You really do have to hodl. Okay. I've been through this multiple times. We're looking at Nano. Yeah. Nano. Okay. Back to the Nano charts right now. What's going on right now? Consolidations. You have this previous trend line back over here. Let's pull up a Fibonacci because it did some kind of weird stuff that I don't really agree with. So wow, you got denied really hard at the 618. Got denied at the 618, and then you came back down and you started holding this 786 as support. That was good. But then you came down to the 618. It was important not to drop below that 618, which you didn't do. You got the bounce up. That's really good. You're above the 786 right now, and you're starting to move to the upside. So you're having a bit of recovery. Next area of resistance that we're going to be looking for is going to be $6.19. Then after that, $6.63, and then $7.28. But what are you doing? Where are we going? What's going on? Let's check this out. Okay. Beautiful negative momentum moving to the upside over here. Beautiful. You had your bullish cross printing green on the histogram. You're not even overbought right now. You do have your stochastic RSI just kind of hanging out up here as you're attempting to make new all-time highs. We're bullish. We're bullish on Nano. It's looking good. It's looking really good. Not ultra bullish, but we're bullish. You know, it's looking good right now. I don't think I have anything bad to say about this right now. So yeah, like I said, $6.19, $6.63, and then $7.82. Dude, once you break to $7.28, which could happen very quickly, dude, you're only sitting at $5.69 right now. That number keeps coming up. So, you know, once you break $7.28, dude, and you confirm that into support, going up to $10. Straight up. You could double after that. Bit of a recovery that it's happening over here, but that's bullish, man. I mean, the fact that you didn't drop below the 618 and you're starting to get that bounce off and you're holding the 668 as support right now, bullish. Okay. That's looking good. I'm not even going to talk about targets to the downside because I don't see that happening. I don't see that happening at all. So yeah, then we have our resistances. We're just going to wait for it to play out. Bullish, looking really good. Looking good. All right. Man, we got the chat is busy today. Thank you for everyone who is here. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you guys are enjoying this content. Thank you so much for being here. Let's read some comments. How do we go? And Kyle got lucky selling GRT before the dip. Hey, man, you know, it depends on where you bought it, but congratulations if you made some profit. That's really good. Congratulations. I am the Fox. Did you buy back in? I bought GRT. Okay, you guys are just having a conversation. And the ATV antics, sold point, long-term hold, and the long-term capital gains is best. Absolutely. 100%. But if you day trade and pay 30% in taxes, that means you only keep 70 cents on the dollar. Yeah, I know, man. Yeah, like exactly. Well said. So like I said, be careful with day trading, guys, because when taxes come around, they are going to F you in the B so hard, and you're going to be stuck with some debt that you're going to be paying off. And you're going to be actually going to have to use some of your investments that you have left over to pay that off. Don't be that guy. Trust me. Don't be that guy. Hold. We're in a bull market, okay? Don't worry about these small dips. Don't worry about trying to get buy-in cheaper and try to make more money. Okay, that's a fool's game. That is a fool's game, and they don't win that much. You'd have to be an experienced trader. I'm talking 20, 25 years, knowing exactly when those bottoms and those tops are going to be happening out. Then yeah, go day trade. That's your job. You know, I know people like that. They're amazing. They're really good. Could I do that? No, not in crypto. And they don't suggest anyone do it in crypto either because of how volatile it is. It's just not a smart idea. HODL. The name of the game is HODL. They don't just say that for nothing. So if it's one, I feel like I'm being like super strict, like, guys, just do it. Like, but I'm telling you. I'm just telling you. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. Let's go over to OneCoin. What's going on with the Harmony? What's Harmony doing? I know it was doing really good for quite some time. And yeah, look at that, having a bit of consolidation. Yeah, look. Oh, you're getting the bounce off the 618. That's what we were talking about last time. We kind of drawn out that that 21 EMA. Look at this 21 EMA that we were drawing out, and I was like, you know, wherever that may be, but get the bounce off of that. And look, that's what you did over here. You're getting the bounce off the 21 EMA. You came back for the retest, and you actually dropped way below. You dropped way below over here, which is insane. Let's see. Pull this out. Yeah, wow, you hit the golden mean ratio as support right there. The moneymaker. Golden mean ratio as support, having the recovery, shifting that momentum, making new highs. A lot of selling going on. Lots of selling. Look at these huge candle wicks from the top also to the bottom as well. So a lot of buying, a lot of selling at this area. That's insane. Those are really big candles. Okay, what's going on? What are we doing? What are you doing? Huh? What's going on the day? Oh my gosh. Holy crap, bro. Dude. Holy crap. This is opportunities like right now. I'm not joking, guys. This is massively ultra stupid freaking bullish. It's not even funny. Hey, what's up, Jarls? Thank you. Or Harls? I'm going to say Jarls. Jarls, thank you for the 10, bro. Really appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for that. Guys, this is insane. Look at this. Okay. Harmony, OneCoin, massively bullish. Negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. Not only that, oh, you can't even see it. I got to pull it up. Not only that, but look at your stochastic RSI. You've been hanging down here since the end of March, below the 20. You're having the shift right now. Holy crap, dude. This is really bullish. This is something that I'm actually probably going to be taking a trade in like soon. Where can I get this? It's on Binance. Where else is it on? This is so bullish right now. It's on KuCoin, Uniswap, Huobi. Oh, man. I'll have to go to KuCoin. I'll have to go buy it on KuCoin. Yeah, guys. Hey, you guys ever want trade setups? Here's one. Here's one for you right now. You guys want to be, you're in here, you're looking for opportunities, want to buy something, and you want to buy right now because you're eager. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is stupid bullish, okay? Negative momentum moving to the downside, positive price action moving to the upside, massively bullish. You're below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. You're not even overbought right now. You're sitting at a very comfortable 56, almost smack dab in the middle as you're having the recovery. Look at this momentum. Look at the shift of momentum happening over here. Look at that. Boom. Dude, we're ultra bullish on OneCoin right now. Like, it's so stupid bullish, it's not even funny. Man, that's incredible. Okay, on the 4-hour, holding below as resistance. On the 21 EMA, you broke above it, holding it as support. Beautiful. You need to break 16.7. 16 cents 7 in order to have a move to the upside. After you break 16.7, you're going to be going up to 19.7, close to 20 cents. You can see that that was resistance for you previously in the past. You did break $20, but you weren't able to hold above it. Okay, you needed to take a correction. You needed to take a little bit of a cool off. That's what I was looking for. This is exactly, I believe we were talking about this not too long ago. I was telling you, OneCoin's going to need to take a cool off. It took the cool off. It had the bearish cross. You started moving to the downside, and now you're starting to print the red, the light red on your histogram. That's a buy signal, especially with this over here. It's stupid bullish. It's stupid bullish. Okay, This is what we're going to be looking for. Break 16 cents, 7. Then you're going up to 17. Let's just call it 18 cents. After 18 cents, you're going up to 20 cents. And when you break 23 cents or 20 cents, you're going to be going up to 23 cents. And then after that, 25 and then 30 cents. That's where we're probably going to be going. So 100% retracement to 30 cents. Yeah, that's going to happen. That's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to set an alert at exactly 30 cents right here for when we hit it, because that's stupid. That's it. You're massively bullish. I don't know what more you want, but that's it. It's crazy. It's absolutely insane. What a time. What a time to get into something. ANRK. Yeah, dude, definitely. Jarls. I don't know how to pronounce that, bro. ANRK. I'll add it to the list. Definitely. Yeah, yours is actually coming up in 2 more. So we got Ren next and then ANRK after that. Guys, I'm telling you, 1 coin right now. Like, I want to go buy some. I have to do a live stream, but I would, if I could, I would go buy it right now. That's what I would do. Whew. Alt season is among us. Look at all this green that we're looking at. Nano 12%. NK in 12%. Bullish. Look at this. Look at all these are all shit. I can't say that word. These are all S coins. These are all S coins, and they're all pumping today. It's alt season, guys. I mean, this is where it's at. This is where it's at. What's everything else doing? We got Ethereum, 2078. Cool. Bitcoin. Ooh, really? Approaching 58. Okay. Okay, Bitcoin. I see you. I see you. NMR. Told you guys about this long time ago. Yes, we are going to be doing one Ren and ANKR after this for sure. But I just want to and then I have to. We're gonna do the live stream maybe for just a bit longer. I don't know how much longer the live stream is gonna go. I do have I'm gonna be playing Cards Against Humanity with some friends tonight. We usually do like a Discord call or whatever, but that starts at 6, so that's in like 50 minutes or so. So I'm not sure how much longer we're going to be in here. If you guys want to take a look at something, it is a $10 minimum contribution. You could do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker, or you can send it to me through OneUp, which my link is down below. You can send me crypto. That would probably be the best. But thank you. Thank you everyone who has contributed so far. Thank you for hitting that like button, that bell, that sub. Dark Haze, Binance USA, Lazik, what's up, dude? I'll try one. And Jarls, haha, I had to get it had right the first time. Jarls. Okay, I like Charles. Okay, I'll call you Charles. Oh, Jarls like Charles. Okay, you got it, man. Ankush, why is GRT not pumping? It's on a long way. Dude, okay, yeah, I did say let's cover GRT real quick. And then we're going to move on over to Ren and ANKR. We only have 2 coins. We only have 2 coins that we're looking at right now. But this is what, you know, Jace, thank you for the 10 again, my friend. Thank you so much. ANKR bought it at 17. Oh, you got it, dude. So it looks like Jarls actually already requested ANKR, Jace. So if you want, pick another coin and then we can do that one for you. Okay. That way, you know, because we're going to be looking at it anyways. I mean, if you don't care, that's fine. But I'll get you another coin. Let's look at another coin. You're here. Why not? But thank you for the 10. Really appreciate that. Thank you for everyone supporting the channel. Okay. Let's see. GRT? Guys, we're bullish on GRT. What are you worried about? Like, we're bullish. Look at this crazy scam wick that happened on KuCoin. I actually don't want to use this chart anymore because of that scam wick. I don't like it. Oh yeah, that's right. My previous supports and levels and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, we're just moving sideways. This is fine. We're above the 236 right now. Very, very low levels of GRT right now. As you can see, we're starting to have the shift of momentum on GRT right here. And eventually we're running into this trend line right now. You can see we caught it as support. We're getting the bounce off and we need to get that much higher bounce. Just watch GRT. Okay. It'll be moving to the upside. Don't worry about it. It's going to take some time. It's going to take a little bit of time. You're not overbought. You had negative momentum moving to the upside. Put in a little bit of green on the histogram. That can change very quickly. We could start printing another green, which is to start pumping us to the upside. I'm bullish. I'm bullish on GRT. It's just going to take time. Like, it takes patience. These things aren't just going to happen overnight. They take time. I mean, like I said, we have like 1100% move to the upside over here from like down here to up here. So we're consolidating. And the more that you move sideways and you can hold this for support, the better. Trust me. That's what you want. That's what you want to see. It's just a matter of time. I have my positions in GRT. That's all I'm in right now for all coins. I'm waiting for GRT. Be patient. It'll come. It'll come. Okay, let's move on. We got to go do some requests. Ren. Let's take a look at Ren on Binance. You broke above $1 and you're staying above $1. You're using as support. You did go below it. Ugh, that's scary. That's really scary, but you're above it right now. You're $1.02. New cipher. I mean, if you want to, man, yeah, we could do new cipher. That's cool. Thank you, Jace. Really appreciate you, bro. Love you. Let's see. What's going on with Ren right now? Healthy accumulation. Positive momentum. Newer highs. Higher lows. Yeah, dude. I mean, let's see. We did have resistance here. Hey, what's up, Killian? Thank you. Thank you for the 10, man. Really appreciate that. Could you do H-bar? Yep. I got you. I believe I already have it charted too. H-bar, you got it, man. We'll definitely do it. H-bar. I think he said wanna know if I should pull it and put it into one coin. That's going to be interesting. I'm not going to give you that advice. I can't tell you that, but because you know what's happening on one coin, we'll take a look at H-bar, and then you can make your own decision based off of that. Okay. I'll kind of lean you, I'm not going to tell you like, go do it, but if I can lean you a little bit. You got rejected over here, had a false breakout above that trend line as you're coming out and you're starting to shift, move to the upside. That is on the weekly. Dude, looking good. Bullish. Just healthy accumulation, healthy retracements to the downside. What's going on? What you doing? Okay, so positive momentum moving, or negative momentum moving to the upside right here. You printed your green on the histogram. You're wanting to take a cross, but like it almost doesn't want to, which is kind of weird. It looks like a little duck, and it looks like it wants to drop. We'll have to see. You might drop a little bit, maybe consolidate a little bit more to the side. That's very possible. But also you have your 20. I wish I need to move this. Can I fix this right here on live? Can I? How much crap am I gonna get for this? That's fine. Hey, what's up, Jace? Thanks for the 2 again, man. Thank you. Could you use Stellar Lumens instead? I bought it at 15 cents. Jace, yes, I know you have contributed 2 already, or 2 coins. But if you want to take a look at a third one, dude, I don't mean to be that guy. I appreciate your contributions. Thank you so much. But if I start making exceptions for people because they've, already contributed and we've looked at those coins, and I just start doing coins for them afterwards for like $2, it's not going to work, man. But if you could do the other 8, then I can do it. I'm sorry to be that guy. I thank you for coming. I know you're new. But it is $10 minimum contribution per TA request. So sorry. I'm sorry I have to be that guy. So what's going on right now? I really don't even know. This isn't necessarily bearish because you could just print a little bit of a red over here, move to the side a little bit more. That's totally possible. You're not overbought at all. You actually you came down on the daily to come over to the 30, which you came over and you hit 33. You hit 33. He's replacing for ANKR. Oh. Okay. Oh, I see. You wanted to change it. Oh, dude, you didn't have to pay me again. Okay. Because you paid me again, you get to choose another coin. Okay. Because you did that, I'm sorry. I misdid that. So no new cipher. Do Stellar Lumens, not new cipher. Okay. Now, pick another coin. I'm sorry for that discrepancy. You can do another coin. I'll let you do another coin for sure. No one's a discount. You get 30% discount. I mean, you already gave it to me, but it's like a 30% discount. and we'll add it to the list. Okay. So let me just make sure it's a misunderstanding. Yeah, it was. I'm sorry. My bad. So yes, you don't have to send it in a form of a super chat or a super sticker. Just type it in down below. What other coin do you want to take a look at? And I got you, bro. We'll take a look at that one too. Okay. I'm going to do the TA. It's hard for me to keep up with the chat to see, but I'm going to keep looking over to see what you're going to request. Okay. So maybe just possible movements to the side right now for Ren. I don't think you're going to be taking a drop. Let's see. Pull a Fibonacci down over here. You're getting resistance. I don't like that fib. I don't like it at all. We're getting rid of it. We have that resistance right here previously before. Okay, this one was being respected a lot more. Definitely being Chase bought a TA for cheap. It's gonna well, it was just a misunderstanding on my part. So because of that. Yeah, I'm gonna allow it. But look at the 618. 618, huge resistance, huge resistance. You broke through it, you came back, got the retest at the 786. You guys know this. You watch my channel, you know that's bullish. Once you get that retest at the 786, kaboom! You took off. You went up. Did you double? 60 cents all the way up to, oh yeah, dude, you more than doubled. Break the 786, expect to double, and possibly even more. And that's exactly what it did. Right now you're sitting at $1. You're using that as support. That's fine. I don't really have any issues with that. Not looking too bad right now on the daily. I think probably go back down and retest 87 cents. Maybe you drop back below $1. Maybe you hold $1. If you hold $1 as that support, you're going to be going up to $1.32 after that. If you don't hold that $1, then yes, you're going to drop back down below to 87 cents. Do I think it's going to go lower than that? No, I don't. I don't think you're going to go below the 1618 under Fibonacci. You've confirmed that as support back here, support right here. You even went down to the 1414, but to make an adjacent low at 78 cents, no, you already broke $1. You want to stay above $1, and getting that retest wouldn't be bad. It wouldn't be bad. You could just stay over here for quite some time. But like I said, hold $1 going up to 132. After you break 132, there is pretty much no resistance up until almost $2. We're going to be looking at like $1.94, which is going to be around $2. Probably an attempt to break that $2 area. That'll happen. Hold that dollar, get up to 132. Yeah, you're going to $2 after that, dude. So not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. We have various supports. We have our resistance down below and some water. Excuse me. Okay. Let's see. Jace request for PPT. It's cheap now in Bullish. I think he's probably still looking for a coin that he wants to take a look at. That's totally fine. I'll keep looking in the comment section, Jace. I appreciate you, bro. Okay. So, yeah, we're bullish. Looking good. I'm not going to expect, nothing's telling me like we're going to be making a move to the downside. I think there's more upside potential than there's downside potential in this right now. So yeah, supports is really simple, cut and dry. That's it. That's really about it. Get above this right here, this trend line, and you turn that into support when you come up to $2, dude, it's going to be stupid bullish after that. Stupid bullish. I think that's what everyone wants to see, is break that trend line back here, because that's going back to 2019, my friend. Summer of 2019. That's like 2 years, like that was 2 years ago. So if you break that trend line, you get above, you go up to $2, dude. Woo, dude, hang on to your butt, because you're going to be going up to $3 and then $4. And then, yeah, it's going to be, Ren is going to be taking off. And it's a really low market cap coin too. Really low market cap coin that could definitely happen. Watch for it. Yep. Let's save this TA. Save it for the next time. That's about it. That's about it. What time frame do you start doing TA? Killian, we do, so I do it at, I usually start at 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm in Colorado, so that's what time we normally do the live streams. I haven't been doing it for the past couple of days just because they cut a line. I'm getting a 150 amp line, dedicated line going into my house. They're installing it. They had to dig like a 3-foot trench, and when they did that, they cut the line. to something and it just kind of screwed everything up. So I think it's fixed. I think it's fixed. I don't think we have an issue. So we're good. So we're going to keep doing these TAs. Hopefully I can try to keep doing them every day like I was. Every single day. That's it on Ren, dude. Not really much more to talk about after that. ANKR. I have this one charted as well. Get rid of that one. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Consolidation. Catching that support at the 2618. Beautiful. Looking really good. You did hit our support line that we had down here at 12.6. I told you guys that's what I was going to be looking for previously. This is why we have all these resistance lines down, or the support lines down here, because I was looking for that bounce. Where was it going to take that bounce? Ooh, developing hidden bullish divergence on the daily. You're below the 20. This is huge. This is huge, my friend. Looking good. Looking really good right now. Wow, NKR bullish. Really bullish. Okay. A lot of these things are doing very similar things. Check out this hidden bullish divergence happening over here on the daily on our MACD. 12 and 26 day moving averages did have a cross. You are starting to move, but they're not like taking a total downturn, but you are printing the bigger red candles, which is what you want. That was just that consolidation period that we had up here for that little bit of time. I was looking for a little bit of a dip, creating that hidden bullish divergence, buying at the bottom over here, which was probably going to be around high 13 cents was what we were going to be looking for. Did Jace say anything yet? No, he didn't. Okay, we'll wait. I'm waiting for you, Jace. So catching that support, look, we got that support. Wasn't, perfect, but we definitely got the bounce off of that 12 cents, 12.5 cent area. Looking pretty good. I feel like I'm leaning over too much. Let's see if we can do that so it's not so is that better? Okay. Below the 20. Oh, look, you can see it now. Beautiful. Below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, really good. You can see previously before when you were below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, like let's do this one right here. Okay. Down here at this bottom, that was this bottom right here. And then you went up and you had this huge blow off top. Well, what was the percentage difference in between that range when you were below the 20 on the stochastic RSI? You went up 300%. Okay. Look, even over here, when you were below, you went down and you touched the what was it? You went below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, which was, move up over here, this bottom over here. And when you started moving to the upside, look, you came over here, had a blow off top. Beautiful. How much was that? What of a percentage difference was that from here to the top? 225%. You're below the 20 again. You're making hidden bullish divergence. You're not overbought. You've consolidated and you're awaiting that breakout of whatever formation that this thing is in right now. Let's go look at that formation. Can we get a breakout targets? Oh, that's a channel. Yeah, that's definitely a parallel channel. I can see it on the daily. No. Yes. Yeah, that's a parallel channel. Check this out. We'll go from here. Nope. I don't like it. Get out of here. We'll go from here. Ah, here it is. Beautiful. Down to here. Yeah, dude, you're in a beautiful parallel channel right now. You're stuck between a range, which is typically what you want to see. You can see how the median, which is this heart line, green line right here, was acting as resistance when you were below it. Resistance, all throughout here. Even coming down, hitting the supports beautifully. You got above the heart line. You came up, you hit support or resistance over here. And look where you came back down to test for support, right at the heart line. Back at that heart line, you came down again, heart line, you broke below, you went down to support, you got above it, and now you're above the heart line currently right now. You're testing, trying to break out of that parallel channel. When you break out of this parallel channel and you come back for the retest, that's it. You're done. You're done with this price action. You're done with this range that you've been stuck in for quite some time, ever since March 28th. Not even that long. Really, not even that long. And yeah, we break out of that. You come over here, you test 15.8, turn that into support, possibly even come down to 15, low 15 cent area. You're taking off, going up to 20 cents, going up to 20 cents and beyond, 25 cents, 30 cents after that. Bullish. bullish, but you got to get the breakout. Okay. You got to get the breakout of that resistance out of that parallel channel. If you don't, you're going to be coming back down to the heart line, possibly coming back down to 13.7, 13 cents, 7, even possibly hitting that heart line right there, which is around 13, low 13 cents. And then, yeah, dude, you could still come all the way down here to 10 cents, 11-cent area. Being that you're on like the fourth leg up, it's been trying so many times. Resistance, 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 and resistance. It's like punching a wall. You keep punching it, you're eventually going to break through it. But if you keep punching it for any longer than this and you keep getting rejected, that wall might be too strong, which means you're going to fail and they'll come back down. That could happen. Okay. Don't worry if that's going to happen. Do I think that's going to happen? No. I think you're probably going to play within this area for the next few days. You're probably going to be banking up against this resistance, and then eventually you're going to be breaking out of it. Yeah, look at that. You had your bearish or your bullish cross right here. Bullish cross on the 4 hour. You're starting to move to the upside, printing green on your histogram, and negative momentum moving to the upside. That's good. That's exactly what you want to see. Not even overbought. You actually went below that 30. It had been a long time since you have been below that 30. That's where people started buying up. Gosh, you hadn't been below the 30 since December of 2000. It's been months. It's been months since you've been below the 30. So I'm bullish. I'm bullish on ANKR. Looking good. That's what we're going to be looking for. We have our supports. We have our resistances. That's it. That's it, man. Looking good. Looking really good. Okay. What time is it? At 30 minutes. Okay. We're going to look at Stellar. And then, oh, did Jace say what we wanted to take a look at? Who do we got in here? Christopher, nice. Damgar, Harmony is my biggest bag. Just bought more. Good for you, bro. And I didn't tell you to. Okay, you made your own choice. I'm not a financial advisor. I have to say it, legality wise. I have to. At Jace, get another coin, bud. Jace, new cipher bought at. Okay, so yeah, you want to do both new cipher and Stellar? Sure. Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's do new cipher and we'll do, my eyes are so dry. And we'll do Stellar too. And then H bar after that. So you got it, bro. Thank you. Thank you for the contributions. Sorry for that discrepancy, dude. I'm sorry. I get what you're saying now though, for sure. And Civic is going up. Is it? Is Civic going up right now? Yeah, it's up 9% on the day. Not too bad. Hey, you're back. I am back. Yeah. Are you talking to me? I hope you're talking to me. I hope not just being like egocentrical or something. But I mean, I would have assumed. PPT, $100 in a month. Still taking requests. Yeah, I could do one more. I could do one more request. Then after that, we're gonna start, slowing down a little bit. We still have 3 coins to get through. So, and I got 30 minutes. So I want to try to keep them to under 10 minutes a piece. And so that I can get to my friends over there. Because we do it every Thursday. Okay, let's move on. We got coins to take a look at. We were looking at ANKR. Looking good. Looking good, ANKR. You wanted to take a look at Stellar. And then new cipher. Yep. You got it. I hate charting Stellar. It's ugly. It doesn't look good. It's hard to be respected. But, whatever. It's whatever. Okay. On the daily, looking good. And so, yeah. We have this formation that we were in. If you did not remember or you didn't come to the live streams, we were talking about this. We were in a triangle formation. We had the breakout, got the retest. What was once resistance is now support. We had a breakout target to come over here to 65 cents. You can see we are on our way over there. It's not going to happen overnight. It is going to take some time, but nevertheless, Stellar is going to be hitting 65 cents. That's the target. That's the initial target that we are going to be looking for. Be looking for that area for resistance as we approach the golden mean ratio at a 68. Hey, what's up, Steven C? Thank you for the 10, dude. Really appreciate that. Yeah, you want to take a look at Matic? We can do that. Okay. Now I'm going to request that no one sends any more contributions. I appreciate all the contributions that we've gotten so far. We've looked at a lot of coins. I've been live here for more than an hour and a half. My brain is starting to fry. I have 4 more coins to do, and then we're going to start. Slowing it down a little bit. I'll be back tomorrow. Don't worry. I got this thing working. We're going to be coming in here because these are opportune times right now. Opportune times. People got to know what's going on. So that's it, man. That's stellar. That's where we're going. I could, go take a look at some indicators for you, but what's the point? We know where our target is and where we're going to be going. Yeah, you're positive on your histogram over here. Green histogram, negative momentum move to the upside. I was talking about how you had hidden bullish divergence right here, also with negative momentum moving to the upside. And I said that was really bullish, which I thought that was going to be the bottom right there. And it turns out that I was correct. That was the bottom. We did get the bounce and we broke out and we've gone up even higher after that. So called it. Like, I mean, I'm not surprised. I'm really not surprised right now. Not to sound like oh, I know everything. No, I don't. But just based off the charts, this is what TA gives us. It gives us an advantage. It gives us an edge on the markets. So I'm not surprised that that's happening. That's really basically it, man. There's really not much else I can do. Look, you're between the 618, 786. You're using it. You broke down false breakouts at the bottom and you're above 50 cents right now. And you need to hold 50 cents. If you don't hold 50 cents, you're going to be going down to 45 cents. If you don't hold 45 cents, down to 42 cents at the 382 line over here. Do not get below the 42 cent line. If you get below 42 cents, you got to get out. You can't stay in there, man, or hodl, whatever. It's up to you, but you're probably going to be moving more to the downside, especially because you had all this resistance that you had all throughout this formation. It took you so much time to break out of this formation. When you finally did, you don't want to come back and revisit 42 cents. No, we're not going to be looking for that because we're bullish. It's looking really good. We're going to be looking for areas to the upside above 50 cents. 55 cents, 57 cents, 60 cents, and then eventually getting to our target of 65 cents. Then 68 cents, golden mean ratio, 72 cents, and people want to see a dollar. People want to see a dollar on Stellar. That's where it's going. Going to a dollar, okay? May not be today, may not be tomorrow, but that's where we're going. It's a 100% measured move from where we are right now. We're bullish. We're massively bullish. It's so cheap to send crypto in Stellar. It costs next to nothing. It's that when I'm sending crypto from place to place, I'm not paying the exchange rate. Hell no. Definitely with not Ethereum, that sucks. I'll sell. I'll definitely sell because that's going to be much cheaper than paying gas, moving Ethereum from one place to another. And then I'll just convert it over to where it is over there. And believe it or not, it's actually cheaper to do it that way. It's actually cheaper to do it that way. Not by much, but I'm going to try to save every penny that I can. So anyways, yeah, so that's why I like to move with Stellar. That's it, man. 65 cents breakout target. That's where we're going. Let's go take a look at New Cipher for you. And okay, we were talking about New Cipher. We know we've been bearish about it. We've been talking about this. We had a little bit of hopium, come up on our fourth leg up as we tried to break out of the descending wedge. And we came back down, but look where you caught support. I was talking about once you break 55 cents, you need to come back down. You need to test that for support. You did that. Good. Now, is this the bottom? Do you think this is the bottom? Are we going to keep testing this 55 cents before we start moving to the upside? Maybe. It's possible. I think you have to hold 55 cents. If you go below 55 cents, dude, get out. You cannot stay in New Cipher if that's going to be happening because it's looking weak. But because it is an ascending broadening or descending broadening wedge, that's typically a bullish pattern. If we go ahead and take a look at the daily, you can see right now we had our positive momentum moving to the upside, but look, we're starting to have like a bit of a crossover here. You're starting to lose that momentum. Not that much green that you're seeing on the histogram. Not looking good. The stochastic RSI was above the 80 and your momentum is starting to move back down. It's just, we're still bearish about it. Break below 55 cents, dude, and that's not good. That's not good. You're sitting at 57 cents right now. You better hold 55 cents. If you can hold 55 cents and you can come over and break out of this descending wedge, which is going to be about 63 cents. If you can break above 63 cents, come over here, hit that resistance at 68 cents, come back for the retest, and then you get above the 236. Let's talk. Okay, let's talk. But other than that, it's just not looking good. It's not looking good. I know it's crypto. I know it's a bull market. Eventually, okay? Eventually, this is going to play out. Eventually, whatever's going to happen, then we'll start moving to the upside. It's going to take some time. This might be really cheap, might be really opportune time right now, but it's really risky. This is typically the times in markets that you want to buy. And I know I'm telling you that this is bearish, but we're in a bull market and we're going to be moving to the upside. Is this the cheapest that you're ever going to be able to get new cipher if we hold 55 cents? Probably. I remember at a time when I was doing GRT when it was 28 cents and I was making videos on it and I was calling the bottom, and this kind of reminds me of GRT when it was at that bottom. It was very uncertain, kind of scary, a little bit of fearish, but that was the best time to buy. Best time to buy. A lot of people had lost hope in it, but the TA was being respected. So I'm not losing hope with new cipher. I think these are opportune times to possibly, if you're a long holder like me and you don't mind waiting and you're not checking your phone every 10 minutes or whatever, I hardly ever check the charts. You know, I do my TAs, that's it. I get off and I'm done. I don't look at the price of Bitcoin every single day. I used to. I grew out of that. I just found that there's no point. There's no point in doing that. What was I getting to? But if you're a long holder like me, look at these areas. Look at these opportunities that you see within the markets. Yes, it's looking bearish, but gosh, if you're right and it moves to the upside, your reward is going to be so much better than everything else that's going on right now. Because if you break all-time highs, dude, you're going to be up 100%. You're going to double your stuff quick, really quick. So I'm a little bearish. I'm hopeful. I think we can turn it around. I think we can hold 55 cents. You got to hold 55 cents. You drop below 55 cents. Dang. That sucks. So who knows? We'll see. I can't really give you anything on this. I really don't know what's going to be happening with New Cipher. I have no idea. It's been consolidating for quite some time. It's been moving sideways. That's good. You know, we're just moving sideways. Okay, great. But we got to break these resistances. I'm going to be looking for 68 cents. If you can break through 68 cents, that's probably when I'm going to start buying in. That's probably when I'm going to start getting in, and we're going to be looking bullish and going to the upside. Okay? That's really about it. Those are my thoughts. Those are my feelings about it right now. Let's move. Let's move on. Okay. H-bar. Yep. I believe I have this one charted already. Yeah, I do. It's on Bittrex. Up 9% today. Looking good. Yes. Wow, dude. Okay. Literally haven't done this TA in so freaking long because are you noticing how my lines on my Fibonacci's are much thinner? This is before I started doing YouTube videos because I made them thicker for you guys to see. So I literally haven't charted this since like forever ago. This is normally what I have my trend lines that look like. So it's really cool to see how well the TA was being respected, even though I wasn't even here for H-bar, which kind of sucks because I'm looking at it now and I remember like where it was at when I was doing the TA, and it broke through the golden mean ratio. You broke through the golden mean ratio. You did have a little bit of a double top kind of action going on over here, and you're below the 21 EMA currently right now, holding it as resistance. You might be overbought. Let's see, on the daily, you were overbought. And I think your consolidation period might be over here pretty soon. Yeah. Two highs. Looks like you're stuck within a range. You're stuck between the 28-cent range and the 44-cent range. But check out the hidden bullish divergence. Look at this beautiful hidden bullish divergence. Wow, that's gorgeous. And you're below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. You're not overbought. You're looking bullish. I think what I think is going to start happening over here, you're going to hold the golden mean ratio as support, as you have been, looking good. Break through the 1414. Let's make this bigger so you guys can see. Break through that 1414. You can see how it was support, and then resistance, and then supports, and then now it's resistance right now. When you break through that 33-cent area, the next area that you're going to be going up to is 38 cents. And with that hidden bullish divergence, it wouldn't surprise me if we saw those moves to the upside. Now, you have two levels that you have to get above. We're looking at 45 cents, and you're also going to be looking at 43 cents. That's your range that you need to break out of. You need to get above 43 to 45 cents. If you can do that, that's going to be taking you up to the 2618, which is going to be 61 cents. Not looking too bad right now. Actually, not looking too bad on H bar whatsoever. Looking pretty good. Nice consolidation, holding golden mean ratio as support, as we are having hidden bullish divergence, looking like you're about to have a crossover here on your stochastics. 12 and 26 day moving average. You're not overbought. You're below the 20. Dude, it's looking good. It's looking good. I don't know what much more to say about it other than the resistances that we have up above. Now, if you start dropping down below the golden mean ratio, there's not a whole lot of support until 25 cents. You know, that's kind of a drop away. That might happen, maybe. But from what I'm looking at, what the charts are telling me, it's telling me that we're moving to the upside. It's telling me that we're done. We're proving that the golden mean ratio is support, which I'm going to be looking for moves to the upside. So don't break below 25 cents. Don't do that. You can see that was your previous high back here. If you start breaking below, that's not good. You don't want to see that. So we have our supports. We have our resistances. I did that backwards. Supports and our resistances up above. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Not looking too bad. Looking pretty good. Actually looking really bullish. Looking really bullish on H bar right now. Lots of consolidation happening after that big pump. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, that's it. That's really it. Simple, cut and dry, very easy TAs. I love these charts when I get really easy TAs. Cool. Now we're moving over to Matic, which is the last coin that we are going to be doing. And then we're going to start slowing it down because in 20 minutes, I got to be somewhere. Get over here. What are you doing? Go over to Matic. Do the one calculated by TradingView, and let's just take the one right there. I think I have both of those charted. I hope. Okay. I do have both of them charted. Which one do I want to use? That one's Binance. That one's calculated by TradingView. I typically like the one calculated by TradingView. Typically. Let's take a look at this one. We're on the daily right now. We were pointing out with Matic that we did have some hidden bullish divergence, and it looks like that hasn't even played out. You're still consolidating. We're going to wait for the consolidation. What kind of pattern are you putting in over here? Some kind of triangle. Let's see. Let's get a resistance line in here. Where is that? Right about there. And a support line. We're looking at about, boom, right there. Dude, you're at the apex right now. And you know you're at the apex because if we go over to the 4 hour and you take a look at the MACD, I bet it's just doing one of these. It's just kind of skidding along in the middle. Watch. Told you. Exactly. That's exactly what it's doing. You're in a consolidation pattern. You're waiting for the breakouts. This gives us nothing. The only thing that this tells me is that we're in consolidation. Like I said, beautiful. Okay, go back to a daily. With the hidden bullish divergence, with you not being overbought, and you're at the apex of this triangle. What is this? Symmetrical triangle. It's not a descending triangle. It's not, because it would be much flatter if it was. It's not. You're at the apex, bro. You're not. You're going to be knocking at the doors over here at about 37 cents. Breaking above 37 cents and coming up to 40 cents is when you're going to be having your breakout. And based off of what the charts are telling me right now, look, you see how this negative momentum is moving to the upside? So kind of like what were we looking at where we had hidden bullish divergence with negative momentum moving to the upside, and you were about to have your cross. Your oscillators are coming back down here, 12 and 26 day moving averages. Price action is going to happen first, okay? And it's going to be happening quickly. I'm going to say probably within the next few days, you're going to be having a breakout. And because you are hanging out towards the resistance right up here, that's good. That's very bullish. Now, if it would be a different story if this was flipped, right? So if you were doing something like this, okay? See, if you were doing something like this, and all I did was inverted the entire chart. If you were doing something like this and you were hanging out below by the support line, then yes, I would be expecting a move to the break. Like that would be bearish to me. If you're hanging out by the support levels at the apex, then yeah, a move to the downside. But we flip it back up to normal, and that's telling us that we're going to be getting a breakout to the upside. Well, we could take a measured move. Where is that going to be going? We're bullish. We're really bullish on Matic. It actually looks ultra bullish. And let's get a measured move. From here, I need to go get some Matic. From here, get over here. Get over here. Let's say you have the breakout tomorrow or even the next day. And that breakout target is going to be taking you to about, wow, above the golden mean ratio, 64 cents. That's no joke. These are huge gains. It's not going to happen overnight, but eventually when you get the breakout, you hit 40 cents, you come back for the retest. This is what we're going to be looking for. Okay. Green candle tomorrow, get another green candle. And then the next day, get another green candle, test this resistance like crazy, build up that pressure, and then kaboom, breakout, come up, hit that 40 cent level right over here, come back for the retest. Totally fine with that. When you get the resumption, that is the buying opportunity right there. That is the buying opportunity right there. Don't ever take a trade within a formation. You don't want to do that. Traders do not do that. I do it sometimes just because I'm ballsy and I just kind of know where things are going to go, and it works out for me sometimes. Actually, most of the time, I'm gonna say like 86% of the time. I don't know where I got that number. I just made it up. But don't do that. Don't trade within a pattern. Don't be greedy. Wait for the confirmation. Come back at the retest, and that's the breakout target over here, dude. We're gonna be going up to 65 cents. 65 cents is going to be the area that I'm going to be looking for. Initially, like I said, break 40 cents, break 42 cents. When you start coming up to 45 cents, and then you start approaching that 50-cent area, dude, when you get in this box over here, so bullish, so freaking bullish. I mean, you know that once you already get the breakout, that's where you're going to be going. So that's it, dude. Breakout target for Matic. Once we get the breakout, 65 cents. So much money to be made right now. You're sitting at about 80% of the way away. 80% gains we could be looking for if you have a position right now. I mean, if you're holding and you bought back here, good for you. Congratulations. This was the news, I believe, on Coinbase before it got listed. Matic, right? Yeah, it was Matic that got listed on Coinbase, which is why it had that huge blow off. It consolidated, and now it's ready. It's ready to go, man. Opportunities, guys, trade setups. I'm telling you right now, look at Matic. Look at Matic. Really bullish. Looking good. That's it. That's all we got. If you get a move to the downside, it's not going to happen. I'm going to talk about it though. But if you get a move to the downside, say you get a breakout, breakdown. Look at this. Look at that. That'll take it down to 3 cents. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Nope. Not at all. That's it. Right there. We get the breakout. Let's say we get the breakout right there. Move that up just a little bit. Oh man, so hard to do. Gotta zoom in a little bit. Okay, right there. That's it, man. That's what we're gonna be looking for. Looking good, looking bullish. I love it. Not all coins are doing this right now. Opportunities. Wait for this. You know, I'm gonna put an alert on Matic for actually a little bit below 40 cents. I'm gonna do like 38 cents because I don't think it'll go up and hit 40 cents exactly. I'm gonna put the alert right there. So when it does break out, I'm gonna watch it. If we get that confirmation, I'm in. I'm gonna be buying. Definitely gonna be buying. We got Hands. Hello, how you doing? Made 20% on BTD today. Hey, congratulations, man. Good for you. 22 or 20%. That's no joke. It's a lot of gains. Anything interesting less than a penny? Well, it doesn't matter, you know, and you don't care about price. You don't care about how much, price is. If you're basing what you're going to be buying your crypto, like what crypto you're going to be buying based off of price, you're not doing it right, because you shouldn't be looking at price. Price does not matter. It's the market cap. It's the market cap of the coin, of which, if you want high opportunity, you look for low market cap coins, $1 million, $2 million, maybe like $250 million, low market cap coins like that have so much potential. You could go buy, what's that coin? It's worth like as much as Bitcoin, but the market caps are totally different. What coin am I thinking of? Yearn Finance. I'm thinking about Yearn Finance. It's like in the tens of hundreds of that. Like I think it's like 25, 30,000. What is it at? $47,000. Excuse me. Yearn Finance is at 47,000 right now. This is the price, $47,000. Are you not going to buy it because the price is so high? No. You base all this off of TA, and holy crap, this thing's looking really good right now. Hold on. Wow. Beautiful. Holy crap. Dang. Look at Yearn Finance right now. A little overbought. but a lot of potential to the upside. You know, I wouldn't base it off of like, oh, it's like less than a penny, so I'm gonna go buy it and hope that, you know, it's gonna be going up to $1, because that's very unrealistic. You know, that's like saying Doge is gonna go to $1. It's never gonna hit $1. I tell you that right now. It will never hit $1. It's impossible. You would need to take over the entire global monetary supply of everything for Doge to hit $1. Or I mean, I don't know. It's probably not the entire thing, but it's a lot of money that I don't think is going to be going into Doge at all. So you want to look based off of market cap. You want to look based off of percentages, how much it's doing. I used to think like that too. I used to think about like, oh yeah, penny stocks, because I came over from stocks. Let's go buy penny stocks. That's different. That's a different story, because those things do have potentials to be going up and hitting much higher. But that's just my 2 cents, man. Last PPT coin, buddy. What do you mean? What do you mean? We got something else? Do we have anything else to look at? I'm pretty sure we covered everything. Pretty sure. Let's go look. Let me see. I know you don't give financial advice, but if your TA helps me get some decent gains, I will come back with some super chats. Well, you're going to see it. You're going to see the gains. You're going to see that we're going to hit our targets. We're going to be hitting our supports, our resistances. And that's why people keep coming back, and we do TAs like this, man. So welcome to the family. You know, you're gonna make gains. I promise. You watch my channel, you're gonna make money. You're gonna make some money. Wait a minute, somebody was talking about if they should sell. Could you do H bar? That was Killian. That's right. I wonder if I should pull from. That's right. They both look bullish. I can't give you any advice on that, Killian, but I think the opportunity, I can't, you know what? I can't make that decision for you. We did the TAs. You're going to have to make your own decision based off of that. We're bullish on both. You know, choose which one you want to go into, man. Which one's up today? 1, and H bar is up 9% today. So you're gonna have to make that decision on yourself. We did the TAs, man. We're bullish on both. We're a little bit more bullish on one coin though. But does that justify selling your H bar, taking that capital gains tax, transferring, paying gas, and then buying or getting one? I don't know. I don't know. That's something that you'll have to decide. I don't know how much you're working with. I don't know your situation. I don't know how much money you have. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. That's why I don't give financial advice, because I don't know. I don't know what your things are. I don't know what you do with your money. Engine, Chris, what's up, dude? How you doing? Welcome. We're going to start slowing this down here. I do have Cards Against Humanity that I need to do in about 7 minutes with my friends. So no more contributions, guys. Oh, my brain hurts. That's a lot. You guys like this shirt? You'd like my Crypto Grenade shirt? You can go to the store, link down below. If you guys want to support the channel, you can go do that through there too. I haven't had much success with the shirts. I guess I haven't been promoting it as much, or actually at all. I don't think I promote my shirts at all. I just don't think people would want them. I mean, they're good quality, and I like the logo. It's cool. You know, I got the Bitcoin. It's grenade. People always ask me like, hey, what does that mean? What's that crypto grenade? And I'm like, crypto's explosive. Like, that's why it's Crypto Grenade. You know, I like the logo. I like the color too. I think it looks really cool. So if you guys want a Bitcoin shirt, you know, you want to support the channel, link down below for the Teesprings to go buy t-shirts, hoodies, mugs. This is so low. I feel like it's been low like the entire day. That's better. So yeah, you know, appreciate you guys, for everyone who's being here. Market's not looking too bad. Wow, what's up 21% today? MTV? Gosh, we talked about this. We talked about this on MTV, and look, we hit our resistance perfectly. Like, this is, oh gosh, I messed it up. We hit that resistance perfectly right there. Look at that. You can't deny it. You can't deny it. We're hitting our targets and we're touching everything perfectly. Look at the resistances and look at the supports. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. You see that? It's like a ladder going all the way up. This is why I'm telling you, we're hitting our targets. We're hitting our supports. We're hitting everything. What about this one over here? God, we're going crazy. What is this? UBX? UBX. Wow, we hadn't charted it since all the way back here. Things going off like crazy. Look at that. That Fibonacci is totally like, doesn't even matter anymore. But how much of a percentage difference was that from down here to up here? 380%? Hell yeah, dude. Times 3 your money? Maybe times 4? Wow. Whatever coin that was, somebody requested it a while ago. And yeah, wow, hit our targets. Looking good. Just look at crypto today, guys. Green. A lot of this stuff's in the green. Elrod down in the red today. Not looking too good. I believe we talked about Elrod being a little bit bearish the last time we were on stream. Somebody mentioned engine. I don't know where it is. I don't really know where it is. What confirmations are you looking for with Bitcoin, RSI, MACD? Confirmations that I'm looking for? Well, there is a level of support on Bitcoin that I'm going to want to look for, but it's quite a ways away. Oh, look, we're above 80 set or 58,000. Bitcoin's weird. Bitcoin's really weird. I really don't know like what to expect with Bitcoin. But if we go to the weekly, bro, support levels that I'm going to be looking for are that one and that one for on the weekly chart. We're looking at Bitcoin long term on Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, right now we're sitting at 71. We're overbought. We can go down to 61 and 52, definitely. And when we hit those areas, I guarantee we're going to be hitting that 21 EMA, which is what I kind of want. Let's go down and touch it. I kind of want it to happen so I can go buy some more Bitcoin. I can feel good about my position. That's a very, you watch as soon as it goes, like you're not going to be able to buy it. When it goes down and it hits a 21 EMA, you're going to watch that thing just shoot right back up. You're not going to be able to put in your buy order. You're going to have to do some math and put in a bot, and hopefully you can buy maybe a little bit higher, maybe like 45,000, 46,000. You know, you don't want to put it exactly down there because all the other orders are going to get filled and then yours won't get filled and you won't be able to buy and you're going to be scrambling. You're going to be like, crap. And so that's why I would put in a buy order probably around like 46,000, you know, just always have that buy order in down there just in case. You never know. You never know. But MACD right now, there's not really support levels I'm looking for MACD, but on the weekly, look, I mean, Bitcoin's shifting out. We're going to be having a bearish cross over here, printing red on the histogram. That's why it would not surprise me if we go down and hit the 21 EMA. Everyone's so bullish about Bitcoin right now. Yes, I am bullish too, but I mean, there's these things that we have to do for Bitcoin before we can start moving to the upside. You just have to. And that's okay. I'm okay with that. I bought Bitcoin under $10,000. You know, I bought it at $87 and $9,200. Yeah, that wasn't even that long ago. You know, I started buying Bitcoin way before that, in the summer of 2019 too. You know, when we were in that bear market, I was getting Bitcoin for like $5,000, $6,000 a Bitcoin. You know, like I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised with the price of Bitcoin. I'm not. I'm really not. I was expecting this. That's why I started buying in. We started moving to the upside, and then once I started, Bitcoin was going up, and I was like, all right, let's go into altcoins. Let's make some money off alts. Been making money off alts. Been flipping into ETH. Been flipping it into Bitcoin, and that's what I do. That's what I do. So those are the levels that we're going to be looking for down below. I have to sneeze. It's coming. He's coming. Wait for it. And it's gone.
Bruh.
Oh, I hate it when you can't sneeze. That sucks. Anyways, like a Bitcoin or ETH up almost 6% today. NMR up 15%. Yeah, look at that. NMR taking off. What did we talk about? What did we talk about with NMR? Man, I told you guys about NMR down here. It's at like 33 cents. I got one of my moderators in NMR down here at 33 cents, and he's been profiting like crazy off of this thing. I think he sold it somewhere up here, made a nice profit, flipped it over to ETH. We were talking about that, where he should be taking profits and moving on. He made good money. You know, make a trade, go move into something else. Why not? Yeah, it's moving up higher, but you know, I think there could be more opportunity with Ethereum. I really do. I'm a huge Ethereum lover. Love Ethereum. What else is up today? Wow, Ripple up over $1. Finally up over $1 since 2018. Took you some time. It took you some time, but what a crap asset. What a crap asset. I would not buy Ripple. I would never buy Ripple ever. Nope. Look, the SEC investigation is still going on and it's bumping right now. Can you imagine if bad news comes out about that? and then the dump that happens, I don't want to be in there. I do not want to be in there when that happens. Okay. Anyways, guys, hey, thank you for all the contributions. I really appreciate you guys. Looked at a lot of really good coins, got a lot of really good TAs, a lot of opportunities. Hope you guys caught those opportunities. If you're coming into the live stream right now and you didn't see that, rewind, go watch the videos, share this video, comment down below what you guys think. What do you think is going to be happening with Bitcoin? Let me know, because it's really like an indecisive kind of indecision area. What's going to be happening? Where's it going to go? It decides the fate of all these altcoins. Not all of them, but a lot of them. Decides the fate. What's going to be going on? Either way, I don't care. I really don't care. We're in a bull market, guys. I'm waiting for $100,000, $200,000, $280,000 Bitcoin. That's going to happen. That's definitely going to happen. I got a phone call. So anyways, guys, we're going to be ending this right now. Thank you for coming in. Hit that like button and that bell, that sub on your way out. Really appreciate everybody who has come by. My name is Leland, and remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.